Good morning, student. This is Jyoti, pupil teacher of science from Dr. Ganesh Das DAV College of Education for Women, Karnal. Today we will discuss about the tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest is situated near to the equator. It is the home of many species and the plants. Such forests are found in Malaysia, Indonesia, Brazil, Republic of Congo and Nigeria. There are a diversity of plant and animal found in the tropical region. Means there is a number of the diversity, different type of plants and animals are found in the tropical rainforest. It is assumed that hundreds of the millions of insect plants are undiscovered yet and they are unknown by the scientists. The Amazon forest is the world's largest tropical rainforest. Central Africa is on second place. Temperature of the tropical rainforest is about 20 to 25 degrees Celsius. There is only 5 degrees Celsius temperature is differ from two season, मीन्स समर सीजन एंड द विंटर सीजन. ये कहता है कि समर सीजन और विंटर सीजन में वहाँ सिर्फ 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर का ही डिफरेंस होता है और यही रीज़न है कि थ्रू आउट द ईयर टेम्परेचर ऑलमोस्ट सेम रहता है. यहाँ इतनी डाइवर्सिटी पाई जाती है प्लांट्स में और एनिमल्स में. देन एवरेज रेनफॉल इज़ अबाउट 2000 मिलीमीटर्स. देयर इज़ अ गुड अमाउंट ऑफ द रेनफॉल थ्रू आउट द ईयर्स. दैट इज़ वाई दिस फॉरेस्ट इज कॉल्ड द रेन फॉरेस्ट. बट there is a one loss of this rainfall. वो क्या है? Due to the rainfall, लीचिंग ऑफ द इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स टेक प्लेस. लीचिंग बोले तो जो इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स होते हैं सोइल में उनका रिसाव हो जाता है पानी के साथ में. रेन के साथ में वो पानी रेन के साथ मिलके बारिश के पानी के साथ मिलके वो सोइल में रिसाव हो जाता है उनका, वो नीचे चले जाते हैं जिसके कारण सोइल रिमेन अनफर्टिलाइज. अब जो क्वालिटी है फर्टिलिटी होती है जो सोइल की वो डिक्रीजेज हो जाती है. दैट इज़ अ लॉस ऑफ द रेनफॉल थ्रू आउट द ईयर. इन इंडिया दिस टाइप ऑफ द फॉरेस्ट फाउंड इन द वेस्टर्न घाट एंड असम. दिस फॉरेस्ट इज होम ऑफ एनिमल्स लाइक एपीज, मंकी, लोयन, गोरिल्लाज, टाइगर्स, लिजार्ड, एलिफेंट, स्नेक्स एंड मैनी टाइप ऑफ द इंसेक्ट. एनिमल लिविंग इन दिस एरिया adapted to this place, adapted to the environment. Then adaptation by animal in tropical rainforest. How do all animals adapted to their environment? First is we discuss about the red-eye frog. Red-eye frog have long limbs that helpful for them in climbing the trees. They prefer climbing on tree as compared to the swimming. They have also suck pads on their feet that helping holding of the object. With the help of the suck pads, they can hold of any object. Then second is this is red-eye frog. Second is the monkey. They have long prehensile tail, legs, arm, and their fingers and toes act like hook, help them to hold branches. It have long tail, long arm, long leg that can helpful for climbing on the branches. It also have a hook like structure that is helpful for them in holding the branching. These are the monkeys with long legs, long arms. Next is the lion tail macaw. This monkey have tail like the lion. That's why this is known as the lion tail macaw. It is a monkey with medium size. It have a medium size, shiny black fur and long hairs around its neck. This is the long hairs around its neck. It have a long tail like a lion. It is known about 17 different patterns to communicate. It have large pouch in its mouth. With the help of this pouch, it can store food. The size of this pouch can be equal to the size of its stomach. Next is the Toco toucan. It have a large orange color beak that is 20 cm long and perfect to picking the fruits. This is very beautiful to see. Next is big cat like the lion, tiger, leopard and the predators. They have flexible bodies, small intestine and sharp teeth. They have flexible bodies means they can run very fastly, small intestine, because they are always carnivores, so they have small intestine and sharp teeth. क्योंकि इन्हें क्या करना पड़ता है, शिकार करना पड़ता है, इसीलिए इनके जो टीथ होते हैं शार्प होते हैं. देन दे हैव हाई विजन पावर बट कैन डिफ्रेंशिएट कलर. देयर विजन पावर इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग बट दे कांट डिफ्रेंशिएट इट बिटवीन द कलर्स. नेक्स्ट इज द elephant tropical. Elephant have fused upper lips and nose to form a big trunk of 1,50,000 muscles. Trunk act as a hand and arm. Their eyesight is poor but can smell water at a great distance. एलिफेंट की जो आई साइट होती है वो तो पुअर होती है, लेकिन उसकी स्मेलिंग पावर दैट इज़ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. वो पानी को कई किलोमीटर दूर से स्मेल कर सकता है. Today our chapter is completed. Thank you and have a nice day.